What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to completely uninstall apps on your Mac, including the associated app files. Click the Launchpad icon in your dock, or press F4 on your keyboard if you have a Mac with function keys. Scroll through your apps to find the one you want to delete. Click and hold the app's icon until it starts jiggling. Then, click the X in the top left corner of the app icon and confirm the deletion by clicking Delete. This method only works for apps downloaded from the App Store and does not remove leftover files from your system. To remove any app, including those not downloaded from the App Store, make sure that the app you're trying to uninstall is not running in the background. You can quit it by right-clicking its icon in the dock and selecting Quit. Next, click the Finder icon in your dock. In the Finder sidebar, click on Applications. Alternatively, you can press Command, Shift and A to open the Applications folder directly. Locate the app you want to delete. Then drag it to the recycle bin or right-click the app and choose Move to Bin. To permanently delete the app, right-click the bin icon in the dock and select Empty Bin. This removes the app but may leave behind residual files. Even after you delete an app, some files may still linger on your Mac. To manually remove leftover files, click Go in the top navigation while Finder is selected. Then select Go to Folder. Enter title/library/ and press Enter. Alternatively, if you are unable to find the title key on your keyboard, head back to Go, then use the Option key while clicking on Library. Look for and delete any files related to the app in the following folders: Application Support, Caches, Preferences, Saved Application State. Once you've deleted the files, empty the bin to remove them completely. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.